Nature takes me back to my truth. Everything that exists in my being was formed in this cosmic womb.
What you think about, tell me all about it.
We are deeply connected to the earth. Earth is the womb of our eternal mother. We connect to the earth on an energetic plane, to the trees, the birds, the dirt, water, especially the water.
Summer night, tell me all about it. Tell me how you jumped from that little sweet, sweet little barge. Looking for his lane.
Being able to hear the noise of silence, the birds chirping, the breeze through the trees, to focus on only that and not the sound of a car passing. It's so calming, it's gentle on your spirit. It's my special place.
Sometimes you get reddish brown, looking for his sling, swimming back home.
When I'm out here, I get almost deja vu like feelings about living in a place like this. I think I did some time ago, in another life. This year, I want to be all of myself to you, letting go all of my insecurities and trusting the process. Growing with my art, my love, peacefully, for myself first, and then the world. Because in life, giving back is a necessity. Your art, your truth, will inspire someone else to create. It will shed light to someone's darkness. It's what we're here for, to discover our truth, create, inspire, share what we've learned. So this year I'm asking you to give yourself time to sit and think about who you are outside of everything unnatural in this world. Then and there you will find your truth and create your stamp in the universe. Live with love. Happy New Year.
What you think about, tell me all about it. Tell me how you had to climb to the sun, slide down on a cloud into the sea. Tell me how you chased the seagulls with the same sound they cry out. What you think about summer nights, tell me all about it. Tell me how you jumped from that little sweet, sweet little barge. Looking for his sling where mother is waiting.